Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to rank for 3 times more keywords on Amazon. If that sounds like something you're interested in watching, be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I have just searched home decor and I picked on one of the first things that I saw on the page. It was one of the last things because I don't want to use something super competitive. But we found this guy right at the bottom. And we're talking about if I was selling this product, how would I rank for 3 times the number of keywords that I currently am, or 3 times the number of keywords that my competitors are ranking for. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Magnet by Helium 10. This is a keyword research tool. It's going to allow you to do what we need to do today. So we're going to search Moon Dreamcatcher. That's what that product was. Moon Dreamcatcher. We're going to get keywords. I know that this product right here technically says Moon and Star Dream Catchers. But if we look down here and we just get a general consensus from like related products, it does seem like Moon Dreamcatcher is kind of the more important phrase there. I don't think the star thing, that little thing that's attached to it, is super important. So we've searched that. Moon Dreamcatcher actually has 3,000 searches per month. You can see there's 4,300 related keywords. That's quite a few actually. That's a lot of keywords that we just got back from this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put in some filters. So maybe we say the search volume, we don't want to see anything with less than 200 searches per month. But we also don't want to see maybe anything with more than 3,000 per month, because we'll get a ton of just ridiculously competitive search terms. So right away, why don't we just filter by that and see what happens? So we'll go from 4,300 to 1,400. Still an immense amount of keywords there. And then maybe something that we want to do is we want to actually say that they're under the advanced filters here, show phrases that contain maybe the word moon, right? That's what we're looking for, a Moon Dreamcatcher. So I don't want to see anything with less than moon in it. And we sort by search volume, and let's see what we have here. Moon mirrors, moon wall art. Okay, so there's a bunch of different things here that actually aren't super related to the moon macrame dreamcatcher thing, but that we can start ranking for strategically. Actually, this is the point of the video right here. So I'm glad that it's sorted in this way. Especially this one, right? Star and moon nursery decor. What a perfect keyword for this one. And I'm sure, if we look in here, okay, there's one catch that has a lot of reviews. That one's doing really well. And that's that one, the best seller there. And then there's some better selling one there. Yeah, but like 90% of these Moon Dream Catchers are not ranking for this search term. Okay, here's someone doing something unique doing it. Most of the page is filled with other things. That definitely leaves us some room to push off one of these random blankets or decals for the wall or something and rank for this keyword. So I would start strategically going through here and picking one, picking words out of here that you have not yet put in your PPC campaigns, that you haven't ranked for. You could go through here and you could logically say, does this apply to my product? And then you could copy it, put it on a list, and start targeting those things individually. That's going to be a little tedious though, so I did want to show you another way of doing this. If we come up here to Cerebro, another great tool, then all we have to do is get some competitors. So we'll do Moon Dreamcatcher. And then all we're going to do is we're going to open this up. We're going to open X-ray just so it's easy to grab our ASINs here. The ASINs are right on the side, so they're really easy to copy. Put in our main search term, then we're just going to grab listings that are successful. So we'll say that's the successful one, right? Definitely. Copy that. We'll come over to Cerebro. We'll go ahead and enter that ASIN. We'll come back and we're going to grab about 5. We'll grab this one here as well. Is that the same thing? No, those are different. Wow. They have only 9 reviews apart and their revenues are almost the exact same. That's funny. Go ahead and enter that one in. We'll come down. Let's see. This one here is doing great. Really, really good. Wow, look at that. Just one bundle will do that for you. 13,070 reviews. That's fantastic. I could definitely enter that one in. And actually, that's the moon and star thing that we started on. So we have 3 here now. Now, technically, you could stop here. If you don't have a lot of competitors, you just have 3. That's totally fine. But maybe we'll just grab one more. I know I said 5. 4 is good enough. So we've entered 4. We're going to hit get keywords. Now what this tool is actually going to do is it's called the reverse ASIN lookup. So it's going to look up all of the keywords that these sellers are ranking for currently. And we're going to be able to use filters to manipulate the data in a way in which we can see it that shows us exactly what we're looking for. We don't have to manually go through 4,000, or in this case 12,000 search terms and pick out the ones by hand. So right here, by the way, all the tools that I'm using today, specifically by Helium 10, are linked down below. I have affiliate discount codes for all of these. So if you don't have these tools already, you can get them for a reduced rate, actually monthly. It's actually compoundingly reduced. It's 10% off if you decide to go with that. So in this case, we have some relevant ones right here. Dreamcatcher Moon, Moon Dreamcatcher, right? It's going to show you all the ones based on what it thinks are most relevant to you based on what you typed in up above for ASINs. What I want to use is the advanced rank filter. Okay, this is really important. So we'll go match type organic, and then advanced rank filter, it's going to let me sort by two different thresholds, ASINs and rank. So how many ASINs are ranking for what positions? If that doesn't make sense to you, just hang in there. We'll get there. So I'm going to say a minimum of 3 of these ASINs are ranking for position. Here's where it gets a little different. Normally, if I was looking for my main keywords, I would go 1 to 10. See where these listings are ranking in the top 10 positions, or 1 to 15. And let me just show you what that looks like so you know. Go 1 to 15. In this case, these are very successful ASINs, so we'll go 1 to 10. There shouldn't be 400 keywords there. Oh, sorry, I was putting it in the wrong position. If we go there, yeah, I was like, what is happening here? Maximum of 10. Yeah, see, there's only 4. In that case, we would probably loosen it up a little, and I would go to 15, and then maybe we'll get a couple more. We have 7, and those are probably some of the most common phrases people are searching. Moon Dreamcatcher with lights, Moon Dreamcatcher, Dreamcatcher Moon. They're just different variations of that phrase that we all already know. But now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to go our ranking 10 to 20. Take a look at that. There's only 1. And we'll go 10 to 30. And we'll take a look at that. There's 4. See what I'm doing here, right? We'll go to 50. Okay, there's 11. So now we're opening up these keywords that are getting overlooked, right? A lot of these aren't going to be things that most people are focusing on. So now maybe we won't put a cap at 50. We'll put a cap at top 100. So they're in the top 3 pages for something like this. We have 68 search terms here. We'll rank by search volume. We have all the ones that we came to know and love from before up top. But as we come down, look at this whole section of 500 to 300 search volume keywords right here, where we have bohemian decor, wall hanging, woven dreamcatcher, large wall dreamcatcher, bedroom dreamcatcher, moonlight wall decor. That one's a little bit different. Let's see. Room decor dreamcatcher. So there's all these awkward phrases that people aren't specifically targeting, right? Moon decorations for bedroom. It's like there's not a lot of people searching. There's 250 people per month, a little less than 10 a day. But what if you could just grab the #1 spot for that? And then you did that not only for that search term, but you did that for 10, 20, 30 more of these really low search volume, but really specific search terms relating to your products. The reason we went for things that they're ranking for in the far end, right? These listings are ranking for page 2, bottom of page 1, maybe even middle of page 1. It's because that means Amazon already knows the customers of keywords that search for, or the customers that search for these keywords already are somewhat related in this product, right? It's accidentally landed there because someone brought it from that keyword, or it's something that people frequently click on when they search this keyword. These are all things worth trying. Be careful with these. Don't just start going super aggressive with all of these, because some of them are going to be a little bit random. So maybe I'll take, 25 through 50, and then I'll put that in a campaign with lower bids and see how they perform, and slowly ease into them and try and rank for those. But these are the keywords that often get overlooked, and we can use a tool like this to pull them out, where most of the time we're not going to be focusing on these. We're going to be focusing on the top 10 or 15 most popular ones, and you could be spending that time and energy ranking for a ton of longer tail keywords. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. Be sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss videos like this in the future. And other than that, I'll be seeing you here on the channel next time for another video. Thanks so much. Later.